end, it's just beginning. Life is getting lighter while the days are getting brighter, yeah. And it's a good, I won't even worry anymore. Took all my cares, still can kick them all out the door. Go on and try, come and tell me what you're waiting for. Move and keep them going till your life is overflowing, yeah. I do a dance of victory, cause now I'm living good. No, I'm not living like I used to be. Now talk about things, talk about my mind. Now I'm free from the words that I left behind. I gotta jump for joy and shout aloud and make a sound. Oh, the world can stop me now, no. And on the music I will ride on the beat. Play my guitar while I'm stomping my feet, yeah. I gotta celebrate life and get excited about good times and good living. Come on, shout it out, hey! Take it up, take it over, take it out of control. Today I'm praying my soul and now you got me singing, oh, hey, I'm feeling fine, smiling big, feeling right like I should. Life is better than good, yeah, you got me singing, oh, hey, I'm standing up on top of the world tonight, and everything's working out just right. And while the world is spinning, it's a brand new begin, and I'm finally winning, hey. So take it up, take it over, take it out of control. Today I'm praying my soul, and now you got me singing, oh, we gotta be the best we can be. And though sometimes we don't wanna, still we gotta chase our dreams. Reach up and reach high, because we're gonna pull it through and give it all we got, even though it can't seem hard to catch and make it happen. But we can't start sliding, come on.